तो फिर क्या करें? When you fly, they always tell you if there is less of oxygen pressure in the aircraft and the mask drops down, first put that mask on yourself, not the other people. Don't facilitate anyone else sitting next to you unless you first safeguard yourself. How do we relate to it with our studies? If you want to get the stresses minimized in your studies and you actually learn something, this is what you have to do. Again, it's a grading scale. 4 चीजों का आपने ख्याल रखना है. You have to take care of 4 things. And in these 4 areas, you have to become very mean. How mean? Number 1, taking care of your body. You have to eat pretty well. And now I want you to assess yourself. I eat pretty well, get enough sleep, don't stress too much, and get a lot of exercise. Do you do that? I want you to score yourself right now. From 1 to 5, where do you stand? आपकी eating habits कैसी हैं और आपके sleep patterns कैसे हैं और आप exercise करते हैं कि नहीं? Okay, let's look at your heart. I take time for important relationships, which includes my family and mainly parents, then your siblings, then your grandparents and your further family members, then your friends. I get involved in right things where I am needed to be involved. Where do you score yourself? Where do you see yourself? Number 3, in your mind. I try hard to learn. I read a lot. I feel I'm learning new stuff all the time. Where do you see yourself? Number 4, your soul. I spend time serving others. I renew myself spiritually through Salah and Quran. I look into purpose of life frequently. स्कोर किया आपने 4 में. अब इसका टोटल नहीं करना. इसमें आपने ये देखना है आपका स्कोर कैसा जा रहा है. लाइक किसी चीज में आपका हाई है और किसी में लो है. इज इट लाइक दैट? या सब में बराबर आ रहा है? इस पिक्चर में आपकी क्या ऑब्जर्वेशन है? कोई मेंशन करे? देयर इज अ कार, ब्यूटीफुल कार, beautiful scene, nice scenic place. Okay, one part is missing. A weird car, yellow car. Anything which is not in balance in this car. Okay, bright car and clear surroundings. Yes, the tires. The tires are not in balance. Tires का size different है. और जब tires का size different होगा और इस कार को आप जब रोड पे लेके जाएंगे तो क्या होगा? ये सही चल नहीं सकेगी. इसके टायर्स जो हैं वो अनस्टेबल होंगे. सो इफ ये जो आपका रेशियो है बिटवीन योर बॉडी, टेकिंग केयर ऑफ योर बॉडी, टेकिंग केयर ऑफ योर हार्ट, माइंड एंड सोल, ये बैलेंस में नहीं होगा, सो आपकी एजुकेशन सफर करेगी. यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू manage or handle the stresses that are related to your education properly. ये आपका ऑक्सीजन मास्क है. जैसे अगर आप टाइम पे सोते नहीं हैं, एग्जाम्स करीब आए, आप खाना नहीं सही तरह खाते, आप अपनी एक्सरसाइज छोड़ देते हैं, आप नमाजें छोड़ देते हैं, आप कुरान की क्लासेस को स्किप करना शुरू कर देते हैं, आप जंक रीडिंग करते हैं, हेल्दी रीडिंग नहीं करते, आप अच्छी हेल्दी चीजों को जो है वो लर्न करने की कोशिश नहीं करते, तो क्या हो जाएगा? You will be like this beautiful car in a beautiful place, but totally unstable. Not having consistent patterns in your life. So आपको अपने इन areas पे, इन 4 areas पे बहुत work करना है. And they should always be in front of your eyes when you have some studies or exams or something that you have to manage. ताकि आप unstable lifestyle से अपने आप को बचाएं. And over here, for youngsters, I would especially like to focus on sleep patterns, because a lot of time I look at youngsters and I find them like walking zombies. Research has shown that sleep deprivation contributes to depression, low grades, accidents and emotional problems. And that is why good sleep is important, because if you're tired, you will blow things out of proportion. आपको लगेगा अम्मा बाबी अनरीजनेबल हैं, बहन भाई They are biggest hurdles in my life. Teachers तंग करती हैं. The whole universe is turning against me. You get overwhelmed and you start thinking wrong. And that is why I will give you some of the sleep tips. Number 1, you get what you need. And you need 8.5 to 9.25 hours of sleep per day. Remember, sleep is like food for your brain. आपने इतनी स्लीप अपनी पूरी करनी है. जब आप ये स्लीप पूरी नहीं करेंगे, आपके लिए बहुत ज्यादा मुश्किल हो जाएगी. सेकेंड, ये जो एक अकलमंद ने फॉर्मूला दिया था ना, और ये जो अकलमंद था ये मुसलमान भी नहीं था. क्योंकि जब हमारे पेरेंट्स कहते हैं कि बेटा टाइम पे सो जाओ, तो हम कहते हैं फला, एक तो हमारे अम्मा अब्बा हर चीज में इस्लाम को डाल देते हैं. Look at my friends, you know, they are up the whole night, they are still studying, and मेरा तो दिमाग ही जागता रात को है. But intelligent people said, early to bed, early to rise makes man healthy, wealthy, wise. Or the Prophet ﷺ made this dua for barakah in life of those people जो early risers होते हैं. So some experts believe that every hour of sleep before midnight is worth 2 after that. Then you become consistent person. You need to have predictable patterns in your life. कभी कभार तो हो गया कि आप लेट सोए, लेट जागे, या कुछ ऐसा आपने काम किया, लेकिन बाय लार्ज आपकी रूटीन्स होनी चाहिए कि अगर कोई भी आपके बारे में सोचे कि अच्छा इस वक्त ये क्या कर रही होगी, तो वो ये ना सोचे जाग रही होगी या पता नहीं क्या करेगी, वो बताएं हाँ इस टाइम पे ये सो जाती है. And then you need to be relaxed before bedtime, which means no caffeine, getting off your screens, reading some good healthy book, even taking a bath, so that आप अपने नींद के पैटर्न्स को ठीक करें. सेकेंड चैलेंज पे हम आते हैं. सेकेंड चैलेंज इज देयर इज टू मच टू डू एंड नॉट इनफ टाइम. आप में से कितने लोगों का ये चैलेंज है रिलेटेड टू योर स्टडीज? ओके, मोस्ट ऑफ अस हैव दिस चैलेंज. यहां पे भी हम एक एक्टिविटी करते हैं. I want you to write down how much of your time went in your screen time as a screen time last week. कितने घंटे, अप्रोक्सीमेट घंटे. Okay, personal time waster. Anything else other than screen time. It could be social media use or whatever you did, and you feel कि ये मेरा personal time waster है. Well, if you feel you're not stressed student, maybe you have to look at the outcomes. यानी अगर आपने बहुत सारी गलत एक्टिविटीज को अपनी कंफर्ट जोन में रख लिया है, तो फिर आपके साथ होगा क्या कि आपको उन चीजों का स्ट्रेस नहीं होगा, आपको वो फील भी नहीं होगा कि ये चीजें कोई इतना बड़ा चैलेंज है. ओके, इसके साथ साथ अब हम अगला काम देखते हैं, लेस इंपॉर्टेंट एक्टिविटीज. ये लेस इंपॉर्टेंट एक्टिविटीज कौन सी होती हैं? जिसमें हम यूजुअली यस मैन बने हुए होते हैं, जिसमें हम दूसरों की like somebody you want to study or you want to do something very important, लेकिन कोई आपको कहता है कि प्लीज चलो ऑनलाइन गेम खेलते हैं, चलो मूवी देखते हैं, यहाँ पे कुछ खाते हैं पीते हैं, यू फील देयर इज समथिंग मोर इम्पोर्टेंट दैट यू हैव टू डू राइट नाउ. ऐसी चीजों में आपका पर वीक कितना टाइम चला जाता है, और स्पेशली आप लास्ट वीक का एनालिसिस कर लें. एंड देन प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन, ये जो हमें सुस्ती के दौरे पड़ते हैं. And then I want you to actually analyze hours that you can save out of all these areas. You need to have a certain plan for yourself. और आप देखेंगे अगर आप total hours calculate करें, I actually want you to do this activity, तो आपको पता चलेगा कि आपके कितने hours जा रहे हैं. जैसे lot of time when mothers come to me and say कि मैं अपने बच्चे को, छोटा बच्चा like 8-year-old child, I only let them play 2 hours of PlayStation or Xbox or online game, just 2 hours per day. And I tell them, you know how many hours it makes in 1 week? कितने hours हो जाते हैं? 14 hours. How many hours in a month? अब आप उसको month पे calculate करें. How many hours in a year? तो वो इतने hours जो हैं हमने क्या किया है? हमने useless activity में waste कर दिए. Studying for 1 hour, and then how much time you're spending on social media, how much time you're spending on procrastination, some personal time waster, some screen time, becoming yes man to other people. That's what's going to determine कि आप क्या क्या गलतियां कर रहे हैं. Okay, let's look at the next challenge. Challenge number 3 is I just don't care. है कोई यहाँ पे ऐसा जो कहता है जब उसको कहा जाए बेटा पढ़ाई करो beta, these are important times, very crucial years in your life, and you end up saying, I just don't care, or you at least tell yourself in your heart. ये क्या problem है? Let's analyze this problem. These are the kids who are not motivated. Okay, I wanted to say this, but my parents' happiness matters a lot to me. May Allah bless you. But you have to be happy inside. We do a lot of things for our parents' happiness. लेकिन वो आपको अच्छी खुशी और असल खुशी तब होगी जब आप अंदर से भी खुश हैं. You actually want to do it. ये हम तब कहते हैं when we are not motivated. We feel like a victim. We are not responsible. We are irresponsible in our behavior, in our attitude towards our education, or we are bored. And because of all these things, what we do is we end up saying that. How do we manage this? We have to sort of split all our activities into two areas. Things I can control, things I can't control. This is what is going to bring in the motivation in your life. मैं क्या कंट्रोल कर सकती हूँ, मैं क्या नहीं कंट्रोल कर सकती. चलें पढ़ाई के लिए देखते हैं. What is something which is in your circle of control and something which is not in your circle of control? क्या आपके कंट्रोल में है? कुछ चीजें बताएं मुझे. Okay, our hard work. Okay, who we make friends with, ठीक है. I don't really have any motivation and I think that's my problem. Okay, time management. Amount of work is not in our control. Yes. Okay, let's look at this list. What is in your control is how many extra classes you can take. What is in your control is how you work on your relationship with your teachers. There could be some teachers giving you extremely hard time, but how you effectively manage your relationship with them. What is in your control is extracurricular activities. उनमें कितना जाना है, कितना नहीं जाना, कब किस चीज को कट आउट करना है, किस चीज को करते जाना है. What is in your control is the friends you hang out with. What is in your control is your own attitude towards life, towards your education, towards the responsibilities that you have, and how hard you work. But amount of work is not in our control. The required number of classes is not in your control. That is something which is going to be imposed on you. Or the class size is not in your control. Or the requirement for graduation or getting any degree is not in your control. Assigned teachers are not in your control. The principal is not in your control. And the length of school year is not going to be in your control. So what we do is we keep complaining about the things which are not in our control. And when we do that, that's when we feel like a victim. We become irresponsible. We are bored. And that makes us demotivated. So what we have to do is we have to constantly look at all those areas where things are in our control. जब हम अपने कंट्रोल के ऊपर बात करेंगे, अपने कंट्रोल के ऊपर फोकस करेंगे, that's when we will get results. Let's look at challenge number 4. I'm not just good at school. There are always students who feel like losers. इसको कैसे करना है? For this, you have to understand what type of intelligence you have. We have IQ, EQ, SQ, PQ. IQ would be ability to analyze, reason, think abstractly and use your language. So आपको ये देखना है कि ये इंटेलिजेंस आप में कितनी है, आपके एनालिटिक स्किल्स कैसे हैं, आप रीजनिंग कैसे देते हैं, आपकी एब्स्ट्रैक्ट थिंकिंग कैसी है, आपका सब्जेक्ट कमांड, लैंग्वेज कमांड कैसा है. EQ would be your intuition, how you analyze the social situations around you and what is your ability to get along with other people. So that is also going to help you in your education. Then is your SQ, where what you do is you long for your vision, value and meaning to life. आप हर उस चीज में अपने आप को assess करते रहते हैं, अपने आप को बताते रहते हैं, where do things go for me? मैं कहाँ पे हूँ, मुझे कैसा होना चाहिए, मुझे क्या करना चाहिए. SQ क्या होता है? Basically, this is the spiritual intelligence. और उसके बाद आपका आ जाता है physical intelligence. Our body, basically is naturally smart. So what we have to do is learn the kinesthetic means कि मैंने touch से, मैंने focus से, मैंने चीजों से कैसे अपने आप को better बनाना है. Okay, nobody is dumb. One of my students is saying over here, I'm dumb in all. You are super intelligent because I know you. You're super intelligent in EQ. You are very good in SQ. I have even seen very good areas of your PQ. I would again say your analytic skills are extremely good in my class because a lot of time you're analyzing the verses because you are my long-standing Mashallah Quran student. So at least I can say for you that in a lot of these areas you are very good. You're matchless. So what you have to do is use these areas. जब आपको कोई कहते हैं ना पढ़ो पढ़ो बेटा नंबर लो स्कोर करो तो हम ना सिर्फ वो देखते रहते हैं फला ये मैथ्स का फॉर्मूला और ये फिजिक्स और ये केमिस्ट्री और ये चीजें मैं कैसे करूं मुझे नहीं समझ आ रही. So don't assess your intelligence based on a certain numerical that you're not able to resolve. Look at your parameters of intelligence: IQ, EQ, SQ, PQ. Why am I doing it? SQ, spiritually. What is the vision in it? How will it help me become a better Muslim? What is the value that I'm going to drive from it? What's the deeper meaning of learning all these things? So, जब आप ये सारे काम करेंगे तो आप देखेंगे आपके लिए स्टडीज इतनी मुश्किल नहीं रहेंगी. I will finish off with the dua. I want you to actually make this dua. क्या है? Allahumma inni as'aluka ilman nafiyan wa rizqan tayyiban wa amalan mutaqabbala. Allah, I ask you for beneficial knowledge and good provision and acceptable deeds. Because end of the day, these are the things which are going to matter to us. आज के सेशन में we were basically focusing on analyzing what are my challenges, analyzing what are the areas I'm missing out. मतलब मेरे अंदर अल्लाह ताला ने इतना पोटेंशियल रखा है लेकिन शायद मैंने उसको खुद ही आइडेंटिफाई नहीं किया. आई एम जस्ट ओवरबर्डन्ड एंड स्ट्रेस्ड आउट और मुझे अपने चैलेंजेस समझ नहीं आ रहे कि मेरा प्रॉब्लम क्या है. सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड योर प्रॉब्लम एंड इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीक हम जो है इससे आगे करेंगे. For today, what I want you to do is keep analyzing the challenges, keep looking into those challenges, see how you can work around them. So I'll finish off over here. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.